Check this.
Bitcoin Cash once again lead the top mineable crypto in percentage gain as all four revived after a market pullback yesterday. Bitcoin Cash is up 9% and seems to be gradually rising. The Bitcoin Cash camp is enthusiastic about the May 15th hard fork, in which there will be a block size increase meant to help the scale to increase demand on the network and the reactivation of operational code for smart contracts.
Check this.
John Pfeffer, a major institutional investor and partner capital based in the United Kingdom, gave a speech in the Sun Investment Conference in New York, in which he proclaimed that Big Mommy Bitcoin is better than gold on every front and said the crypto will ascend to $700,000. Though he didn't elaborate on the time frame or how he arrived at the specific figure, it can be assumed that his assertions are based on independent research and his connection to the venture capitalist community. The Sun Investment Conference has never had anyone recommend cryptocurrency before. Normally, the focus is on which traditional stock are the best investments. Another first for Bitcoin, you can imagine. Litecoin creator Charlie Lee tweeted that his 100 Litecoin promotion on the South Korean exchange Orbit has ended. The Litecoin were rewarded to top buyers. Charlie Lee also wanted to be clear that he bought the Litecoin for the promotion, and yes, he bought them on Coinbase. The Coinbase exchange is usually influential in the Asian market in a similar way that Coinbase is a big deal in the West. Being on both exchanges simultaneously could be a catalyst that propels Litecoin upward in dramatic fashion.
Check this.
Eternal Casper protocol continues to be under review by developers in the community. The proposal is a hybrid of mining reward and a modified proof of stake system. The Casper model is designed to validate crypto transactions while cutting the amount of energy required to do so. It also cuts the mining reward by 80%, though. Creating a new block isn't dependent on who mines the block first, rather on the worth of the block and the amount of currency in a person's digital wallet. It would be some time before Casper is implemented, but many in the Ethereum community say it would happen this year, and that it's far superior to delegated proof of stake system in which a small group of wealthy players control the network through gaming rules and politics.
Check this.
Time to make some money. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin? BitcoinTeam.club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I will leave an affiliate link for BitcoinTeam.club website in the comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal which members enjoy, despite the opportunity available to members to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 levels. Isn't this amazing? I see BitcoinTeam.club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. The Bitcoin community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch this video. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Check this.